Hello guys, welcome to channel. In this video we are talking about how to fix JBL Tune Flex left earbud not working. To fix your JBL Tune Flex left earbud not working, first of all you have to ensure both earbuds are fully charged. After that you have to place them in the charging case and then verify the charging indicators. You can try to reset the earbuds to fix the issue. For that you have to place both earbuds in the charging case and close the lid. After that you have to wait for few minutes and then open the lid. After that you have to wait for few seconds and then open the lid. Then you have to press and hold the button on the both earbud for about 10 seconds to reset them. After resetting, you have to reconnect Bluetooth. Forget the JBL Tune Flex from your device Bluetooth setting. After that, turn off the Bluetooth on your device. Then turn it back on. And you have to repair the earbud with your device and check the earbuds if it's working correctly. If this method not working for you, you can try to clean the earbuds. Ensure there are no derby or earwax blocking the sensor or speaker on the left earbud. You can use a dry soft brush or cloth to clean them gently. After that you have to check for any damage on your earbud. Inspect the left earbud for any physical damage. If damage, contact JBL support for repair or replacement. They will help you. Hopefully this video help you to fix the JBL Tune Flex left earbud not working. Thanks for watching.